We're reviewing a Fingerprint smart lock for cabinets, small items that need to be locked, lunchboxes, and more. It's got a fingerprint area that's simply pressed to unlock and lock. It has a blue and red light for charging and a micro cable to plug in, a small cable. An optional brick is required for charging, the blue LED indicator. When you get your lock, it will be locked. You may press on the lock to unlock. Locking up is simple as that. With another finger, it will unlock until you set up with the application provided in the owner's manual. They come in a number of languages. Open the app and follow the instructions. As the app opens up, look for Bluetooth. In the Bluetooth area, it will want to connect. Confirm Bluetooth. In the application, let's hit the plus. Tap on the lock so it flashes. Press on the lock for binding. The second lock is known as finger. Authorization management to allow many people to use your lock. Fingerprint management. Start to add. Add fingerprint, put a name, TTT. Add fingerprint by following the instructions. 1, 2. Let's have the lock closed by adding the instructions, adding a name, add fingerprint, and follow the instructions again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Success. Please have the lock locked. Back out. History and more features of the lock. Pressing the unlock with the wrong finger gives a red and blue light. Unlocking the lock is simply hitting the fingerprint and unlocking. And locking is simply closing. Fingerprint within a second. 1 second opens up within a second and a half. Lock. One more time, a nice close-up look. If I want to lock something to my scooter to the handlebar, like my helmet, I place on the lock and my helmet and lock up. And now if I open up, I get a red light and my helmet is secured. When I want to use the helmet, I simply press, it releases, and I'm able to use my helmet. Please recharge the lock when the battery gets low. It has many hours of use, and if out in the field, then the lock does not open. A power bank and the corresponding cables will be required. I hope you enjoy your lock if this is something that you are looking for in a fingerprint lock. Thank you for viewing.